So good morning everyone. It's dawn right now. It's about 6 a.m. in Saigon, and look at this view, guys. Right outside our balcony. It's really beautiful. I haven't seen Saigon from this angle or view before. Check it out. We're in one of the highest buildings and high rises in the city. This whole area right here is called the Vinhomes area, and it's one of the most developed areas in Saigon right now. So yeah guys, this is what $72 a night gets you in Saigon, and this place is big enough for 4 people. It's for 4 people, it's 2 bedrooms, and split up between 4 people. You guys can do the math. So yeah, this is amazing value, and I'm gonna show you the rest of this place right now. Just left our beautiful hotel for our first day of back exploring in Saigon. Here with the high rises, this is how it looks like in the daytime. This is the lobby of the Vinhomes hotels. Look at all these high rise buildings. And this whole area is basically developed by the Vin company. There's a school right across the street from our thing called Vin Schools right there. Our place called Vin Hotel. And that same company is the same one that makes Vin Pearl, which is a luxury island in Nhat. They're basically like the Trump of Vietnam. And they own a lot of equity, or they own a lot of basically like real estate. It's very odd. I feel like I'm in a huge metropolitan city like New York or Chicago. And you'll see the difference when I show you when we're in the inner city of Saigon. So I'm basically in like a Vietnamese 7-Eleven, and it's super lit in here. They got fresh banh mi, fresh dumplings, fresh coconut for us to drink, smoothies, ramen. Basically heaven if you're a foodie and you want things for the cheap and convenient. To me, you could already see the drastic difference between this place and the rest of Vietnam, as like most of the vehicles on this street are cars, automobiles, and as you know, most of Saigon, you'll be riding in motorbikes. So we're in another branch of the Vinhomes where my friends are staying, right here. I'm just waiting for them to get ready. But yeah, there's like a bunch of these, all in the same area. These are the hotels. So just took a taxi ride to this place and escaped the rain downstairs. And this is the mall in Vietnam. It's really nice in here. We're in Takashimaya right now. This is like Nordstrom's of Saigon apparently, because there's a lot of American brands in here still. But yeah, this is the main area. This mall is pretty huge. Look at this. I haven't seen the rest of this mall yet, so I think it's too soon to say. Oh shoot, it's a top shop. But I have to say, from Bangkok and Malaysia, I feel like Asia be doing the most with all their malls. So they got us, so we're leaving Top Shop. My sister got me a birthday present to wear out tonight for my birthday buffet dinner with the fam. But yeah, I'm gonna be looking spiffy. So we just got to our hotel and changed. Have my nice birthday shirt on, and now we're right outside the Tan Son Nhat hotel. We're at this hotel now. It's supposed to be really nice, and there's supposed to be really good buffet in there, and we're gonna eat there for my birthday with all my aunts and uncles. Thank you. We just paid, it was $430K. That's around like $20-ish. But apparently it's really nice. It already looks really nice, and we're entering. So I'm in the restaurant right now. Food looks amazing. Smells amazing. About to go in on all of this food.
So she just told them no
This is the entrance to the karaoke room. Looks like a club. So it's after dinner vibes, and we're in a karaoke room. This looks pretty crazy. Feel like I'm in like Prince Harry's house or something. But yeah, this is the stage. This is the mic. This is where I'm gonna show it. Before to turn up, you gotta get the Heineken. Get that in. You're being shot. leaving this karaoke joint. It's closing down. Went till they're out of business. Now we're heading in the taxi, going home. So we're back at our Vina community with all these buildings. Basically another world. And now we're gonna go to sleep. See you guys next video and subscribe.
Wow.